I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very special to share with you guys, which is Just Egg. Well, if you're in the States or in a region where you've had this for a while, it's nothing new for you, but me being in Montreal, I was only able to find this liquid form of Just Egg just a few days ago at my local Walmart. We've had this folded version for a while now, but this is completely new, at least in my area. And if you follow me on my Instagram, you might have seen my Insta story already, where I share that exciting, special moment of seeing this bottle of Just Egg for the very first time. And come to think of it, egg is probably the only non-vegan ingredient that I've missed, and it's really for its convenience. You know, it's so versatile that you can make so many different dishes out of it in such a short amount of time. So it's not really the taste of it that I missed, but the convenience and the versatility of it. So without further ado, let's just see what we can do with this bottle of Just Egg today. So let's try making a simple crepe first. So on a pan over high heat first, add a little bit of oil. And this is about a third cup of liquid Just Egg. Not enough oil. That's okay. That's okay, we can make scrambled egg. Yay! So it seems like you need more oil for Just Egg than for the real egg. Here we go. So this time a little more oil. Right. Okay, so this is it. It's not a good looking crepe, but here we go. I'm gonna try and julienne this, which would be a very good topping for different noodles or rice dishes. It slices very nicely. I can have a taste. You know what? I didn't put any salt, but it is salty. It's salty enough for my liking, actually. And it doesn't taste like egg, but the texture is very similar. And it's good, regardless, eggy or not. So I think I can make Korean style egg pancake with it today. So these are gonna be the ingredients. So the egg substitute, Just Egg, soup soy sauce, and some sesame oil, and that's all you really need, and maybe just green onions or chives. And these are just optional. The chili pepper for the heat and enoki mushroom for a little bit of texture. And that's really it. So I've chopped everything already and add just egg, 3/4 cups of it. And just a little tiny bit of soup soy sauce just for flavor, and sesame oil, and a little bit of black pepper. That's it. We're gonna mix it up. So on a pan over high heat, pour about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Pour the egg mixture. The edges are so crusty. And that's it, really.
Okay, so we were able to make some scrambled egg crepe, and very simple Korean egg pancake today using just egg. It's a very great egg substitute, but to be honest, it doesn't have that egg-like taste per se, but it's delicious regardless. And the texture is very similar to the actual egg. You'd be surprised. And it's plant-based. So if you have just egg available in your area, definitely give it a try. It's a great banchan, side dish, great topping for sandwich, you know, great breakfast, anything. It definitely has that convenient aspect to it. So this is very simple Korean egg pancake that we made. I know I struggled a little bit with the egg crepe in the beginning, so if there is just egg expert out there watching this, please give me your expert advice in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye! Let's also see if we can make egg drop soup. Oh, it's not the same, but I don't think it's entirely impossible. I think with a little bit of skill, it is doable. Wow, what about the taste? I like it. And of course, if you're not happy with the way it looks, we have the julienne egg slices that we made earlier. There we go.